Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming outdoor spaces into stunning havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at that big empty circle of grass or dirt around the base of a tree in your yard and wondered, what could I do with that? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of around tree flower gardens. This is one of the easiest and most impactful ways to add a splash of color, texture, and life to your landscape. Stick around because we're going to explore what these gardens are, why you should have one, how to make one beautiful, and I'll even share my top 10 favorite designs to inspire you. So, what exactly is an around tree flower garden? Simply put, it's a dedicated planting bed created around the base of a tree. Instead of just having a lawn that goes right up to the trunk, you create a defined space, often a circle or a ring, that is filled with soil, mulch, and of course beautiful plants. These gardens serve as a decorative focal point, turning a simple tree into a stunning centerpiece for your yard. The benefits of these gardens are more than just aesthetic. First, they protect your tree. When you have a flower bed, you eliminate the need to mow or use a weed trimmer right up against the trunk, which can cause significant damage to the bark and stress the tree. Second, they improve the health of your tree's root system. The mulch or organic material in the garden bed helps to retain moisture and regulate soil temperature, creating a more stable environment for the roots. Third, they enhance the curb appeal of your home. A well-designed tree garden can transform a simple lawn into a sophisticated, manicured landscape. It adds a layer of depth and visual interest that makes your entire yard look more intentional and cared for. Now for the fun part, making it beautiful. The key to a stunning tree garden is thoughtful design. Start with a clear border. You can use stones, bricks, or metal edging to create a crisp line that separates the garden bed from the lawn. Next, think about a tiered planting approach. Place taller plants like a hosta or a daylily closer to the trunk. Then, as you move outwards, layer in medium-height plants, and finally, use low-growing ground covers or colorful annuals on the outer edge. This creates a lush, layered look. Don't forget to consider color and texture. Mix and match different leaf shapes and flower colors for visual interest, and use a contrasting mulch, like a dark brown or black, to make your plants pop. Lastly, remember to choose plants that are suited for the light conditions under your tree. We'll get to that in a moment. When choosing plants, the most important factor is the amount of sunlight. Most tree gardens are impartial to full shade. Here are some of the best flowers and plants for around tree gardens. First, hostas. These are a shade garden staple for a reason. They come in an incredible variety of colors, sizes, and textures, from bright yellow-green to deep blue-green, and they fill space beautifully with their large leaves. Second, impatiens. Perfect for a pop of color in shady spots. They produce a profusion of bright flowers all season long. Third, begonias. These are a fantastic choice with options for both sun and shade, and they offer vibrant flowers and striking foliage. Fourth, coleus. Known for their stunning multicolored foliage, coleus plants are an excellent way to add dramatic color to a shady garden without relying on flowers. Fifth, ferns. For a touch of natural forest-like texture, ferns are a must-have. They thrive in shade and add an elegant, feathery dimension to your garden. Sixth, petunias. While many petunias prefer full sun, some varieties can tolerate part shade, especially those that are heat tolerant. They are a classic choice for vibrant color. Seventh, coral bells. These plants are loved for their gorgeous, colorful foliage that can be shades of purple, lime green, or deep red. Their delicate flowers are a bonus. Eighth, hydrangeas. For a larger, more permanent plant, dwarf hydrangeas are a great option for a partial shade setting, offering huge, beautiful blooms. Now let's get into the inspiration. I've put together a list of 10 stunning around tree flower garden ideas to get your creative juices flowing. 1. A symphony of color. The begonia tree ring. This is a classic example of a vibrant and easy-to-maintain tree ring. The garden is bursting with a variety of begonia flowers in shades of red, pink, and white. The dense, low-growing plants create a thick carpet of color that completely covers the ground, making for a stunning, almost magical visual effect. The dark mulch provides a perfect backdrop, making the bright flowers stand out even more. 2. A lush and leafy hosta haven. This beautiful garden showcases the power of foliage over flowers. A variety of hostas, from variegated to solid green, are planted under a large tree, creating a lush, serene, and verdant landscape. The single pop of bright pink flowers in the foreground adds a lovely accent, but the main attraction is the different shapes, sizes, and shades of the leaves. The natural stone border gives the bed a rustic, timeless feel, blending seamlessly with the surroundings. 3. A vibrant tapestry of coleus. This design proves that you don't need flowers to have a colorful garden. A stunning array of coleus plants in shades of deep purple, fiery red, and bright yellow-green are arranged around a large tree trunk. The different leaf shapes and intricate color patterns create a living tapestry that is a feast for the eyes. The simple, clean soil bed highlights the plants, while the dense foliage provides a beautiful ground cover. 4. The natural stone and shade garden. This garden perfectly harmonizes with its natural environment. A mix of hostas and other shade-loving plants are arranged under 2 majestic tree trunks. The use of large, rounded river rocks for the border gives this garden a rustic, natural, and low-maintenance feel. The varying shades of green foliage create a peaceful and inviting atmosphere, making it a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the cool shade. 5. A multi-toned masterpiece of foliage. Here, a beautiful mix of various plants, including hostas and coleus, create a colorful and textured ring around the base of a tree. This design shows how a variety of shades, from bright green to deep maroon, can create a cohesive and eye-catching display. The low-growing plants provide an excellent ground cover and add a burst of life to the base of the tree. 6. The brick-edged floral circle. This circular flower bed, bordered by stacked stone blocks, offers a beautiful and classic look. The mix of bright pink petunias, white alyssum, and vibrant yellow marigolds creates a cheerful and welcoming display. The different colors and textures are layered effectively, with a taller plant serving as a central focal point, making the entire garden look polished and professionally designed. 7. A tropical paradise at the base of your home. While not a tree ring, this example shows how to use a variety of plants to create a striking landscape bed that extends from the home. The use of palm trees and vibrant, colorful foliage plants creates a lush, tropical feel. The varying heights and colors, from the tall palms to the low-growing red and white bromeliads, create a dynamic and appealing garden that can easily be adapted for the base of a large, single-trunk tree. 8. A colorful cottage garden. This garden combines a variety of colorful annuals and perennials to create a vibrant, cottage-style look. A mix of petunias, daisies, and other colorful flowers creates a whimsical and beautiful circle around a tree. The arrangement looks natural yet intentional, with splashes of color spilling over the simple stone border. This is a great example of a high-impact, low-effort design. 9. A red and white impatiens ring. This stunning design features a simple but powerful color palette. A dense mass of bright red impatiens creates a bold inner ring, while a border of white flowers provides a crisp, clean contrast. The effect is clean, dramatic, and incredibly visually appealing. The generous use of mulch provides a tidy base and helps the flowers stand out. 10. The sweeping stone border. This landscape shows how a tree garden can be seamlessly integrated into the rest of the yard. The low stone wall meanders around several trees, creating a long, continuous flower bed. The design is filled with a variety of flowering plants and shrubs, creating a beautiful and cohesive look that defines the space and adds incredible curb appeal. This is a great example for a larger yard with multiple trees. I hope these ideas have inspired you to get outside and create your own little masterpiece around a tree in your yard. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Whether you choose a formal design with a clean stone border or a wild, free-flowing cottage garden, adding a flower bed around your tree is a fantastic way to elevate your garden decor. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of these designs was your favorite? Or if you have your own amazing tree garden, share a picture in the comments below. I'd love to see it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips and inspiration. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Happy gardening, everyone!